how are you? How's Mama doing?
I don't know.
Papa, how are you? I came to ask after Mama. I hope she's getting better. She's fine? Yes. Okay. Papa, here's 100,000. My own contribution to...
Hey, keep your money, Emenke, please. Huh? We don't need it. We don't need blood money. Please, just keep it to yourself. Biko.
I beg your pardon?
I don't want my mother to die. That's why I'm sounding like this. I don't want my mother to die. Keep your blood money. I know we need money right now, but at this point, we don't need blood money. Keep it, Biko.
Alright. Thank you.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.